How to set up Google Family Link on a child's device. This tutorial shows you how to send a Family Link invite and start monitoring your child's activity to keep them safe online. First, open the Google app on your Android device. Tap your profile icon at the top right and tap Manage Google Account. From there, tap Family right at the top of the account management page. At this point, if you don't have a family group set up yet, you'll need to create one first before you can send any invites. Once that's done, come back to this same page to continue. If you already have a family group, tap Send Invite. After that, type in your child's Google account email address and tap Send at the bottom to fire off the invitation. From here, grab your child's device, open the invite from their email, and accept it. Once accepted, Family Link will be active on their account. Finally, head back to the Family section on your own device, where you'll now be able to monitor their app usage, screen time, location, and online activity all from one place. Keep in mind, your child will need to have their own Google account set up before you can send them an invite. If they don't have one, you'll need to create one for them first through the Family Link app. And that's it. If this guide helped you set up Google Family Link, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.